The Pro version has a function to create photorealistic images. See in the next minute how this works.
In the Pro version, Finale offers you the ability to create photos of your show. To do this, just move the timeline to the point in the show where you want to create the photo. Then go to File, Create Image or Video, Create High-Res Image. Then you are asked for a file name. After you click the Save button, the rendering of your image will start. When the photo is finished, it will be shown. But it also possible to create long time exposure images. The duration can be up to 3 seconds. To create this kind of image, you need to set the camera exposure duration. Click on the window menu and open the Per Show Settings dialog. Search for camera exposure duration. Then enter a value of 3 seconds and close the window. When you now move the playhead to 11 minutes, Finale will begin with the photo from 10.57 seconds. The end of the image will be at 11.0 seconds. To create the photo, the steps are the same. Go to File, Create Image or Video, Create High-Res Image. Enter a new file name then. After you press Save, the creating of the image will begin. Because Finale has now to calculate a lot of frames for the 3 seconds, so this process will take a while. Finale is not responding for some time and there is now progress bar right now, but after a while the image will be shown. You can share the FOTs with your friends or post them on social media.